Hi guys, welcome to a new episode of Flashy Flavors. Today, me and
Todd.
we're gonna try to make some sushi. We never made it. We said, why don't we make sushi?
So we're just gonna, we pulled up a couple of recipes off the internet. We're just gonna kind of wing it and see what happens.
Yep, we have some avocados, something that seems like some pickles, but there are no pickles. There are more zucchini, some carrots, and then some crab leg. Then we have our nori, some shrimps, and our rice. So let's see how it comes out. So we're adding a quarter cup of the rice cooking wine. Of course, Todd added a little bit more because of Flashy Flavors. We don't have, measures. And then how can you see with the vinegar, white vinegar, the same, right, Todd?
That's right.
Yes.
Tablespoons of sugar. Teaspoons of salt.
Of course, we're just gonna go with it.
Whoa!
Adding our magic potions, I would say.
Magic potion, love potion number 9.
It's a quarter cup of rice cooking wine, same quantity of white vinegar, some sugar,
And a little bit of salt, and we have no idea why we're doing this, but the recipe said to do it,
Yep.
so we're going
So
to do
let's do it.
I'll tell you what, it seems like the rice was very sticky, and this mixture seems to be making the rice so it's not so sticky. So,
Yeah, that's
right?
the problem. Yeah.
Maybe it's to loosen it up a little bit. I don't know. No idea.
Yep. We'll see. So we're now adding the rice, and we're gonna spread it out on the nori. Voila, perfect. So Todd is now spreading the rice out. Yeah, I would say that we don't want to make them too thick because we want to eat veggies and stuff and the fish. So yes, I think that's great.
Maybe a little more rice, you think, Ben?
Yeah, maybe a little bit more.
Yeah, we
Yes.
don't really know what we're doing, so.
Yes. we're just gonna wing it. Perfect. Yep. And then the recipe calls for the veggies and the fish in the middle. And to be honest with you guys, frankly, this is our first roll. So we don't know what we're doing, but we're doing it. Todd is doing a great job. So he's adding the carrots. And then
Hey,
now...
Lisa, if it calls for 1, we put 2.
That's a Flashy Flavors motto. Perfect.
And do we want, how about some avocado?
Yeah, we'll do that. Voila.
I'm not sure here.
Let's wing it. Let's see. Okay. So now, voila.
Okay.
Perfect. Okay, so now we're folding it. We had to remove the avocado to perfect because it was a little bit too thick. Voila. Guys, believe us, this is the first time, and I think it's gonna be good. Yes.
Now,
So now you flip this part over. Voila. Yes, flip it one time. Okay. And hopefully will be good.
Wait, I feel like,
Yeah. I think it's almost done. You may wanna flip it the other side. Yes, the other side.
thought we had to flip it like this.
Yes, yes, you flip it like that. And then...
This doesn't seem right.
This is real time. Let's see. Let's see, we're doing it.
I don't know. What do you think? What's it gonna look like?
Oh, well,
No idea.
We'll see. We'll see. Oh, not too bad. You know, to be the first attempt. Believe us, you know. Frankly, this is the first attempt ever.
Well,
yeah,
I think
I think we're good. I think we're good. Now we're gonna cut it in half, and then Todd. Yes, you know, each cut you wanna clean your knife. I think for the first attempt, what do you think, Todd?
I think we need a lot more practice.
Yes, we do, but you know, flashy flavors, we wing it, and I'm sure even if it doesn't look that great, although you know, it doesn't even look bad, it's gonna taste very good. I have this idea. I can smell it. It is pretty awesome. I'm gonna add some rice here. We don't want to add too much, although you know we need to get some rice in our sushi. I would say.
Yeah, just get it in there. Yeah.
Yep, not too much, but still, you know. And
You know what I always say? If we don't want to have too much, we should have Ben do it.
Yes, that's true.
Because Todd will always add too much.
And that's the flashy flavors, you know. Okay, so I think this is not too much. And we're gonna have some carrots. We're gonna add them in the middle. Some more veggies here. And then we have the shrimps. So we're gonna have, I'm trying to not to make.
You don't want to overload it.
Yes, I don't want to overload it, so I'm gonna try to use all spaces. So now we're gonna flip this one here. Okay, then we're gonna pinch it here.
You pinch and pull.
And I'm gonna pull. Okay. So now, voila. I'm gonna squeeze it a little bit.
And again, we have absolutely no idea what we're doing here.
But
we're getting better.
Yeah, we're getting better.
We're getting better.
Yes. So now we're gonna get a clean knife and we're gonna divide it in two. Yep, I think we're good. And then every time you wanna clean your knife, I would say we did
We're getting better.
pretty good. Yeah. So this is our last batch that we made in honor of our 50th subscriber, Catherine. So thank you for subscribe. We made this for you, and thank you all of you guys for watching, and see you to the next episode. Hi from me and Todd.